Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel VTU Solver. Today we are going to solve the most important question which is asked and repeated many years by the VTU. So the first question is, find the delta phi if phi equals to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz at the point 1, minus 1, 2. Now as we know the delta phi formula, delta phi equals to dou phi by dou x I cap plus dou phi by dou y j cap plus dou phi by dou z k cap. Now second step. Now we have to put the phi value. Now as we know the formula, now we have to put phi value. X cube plus z cube plus 3 minus 3xyz by dou x as given in formula I cap plus dou y by into x cube plus y cube plus 2 z cube minus 3xyz j cap. Now last plus dou by dou z x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz k cap. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x. 3x square. Now in this x is not given, so 0. In this also x is not present, 0. Now x is present, so minus 3xyz I cap plus 0. Now this with respect to j, so y is not present, so 0. 3y cube square plus 0 minus 3xyz j cap plus now with respect to z, so z is not present, so we will put here 0 plus 0 plus 3z square minus 3xy k cap. Now we have to equate these all, so 3x square minus 3yz I cap plus 3y square minus 3xz j cap plus 3z square minus 3xy k cap. Now in question the point is given. What point is given? 1, minus 1, 2. Now we have to put these all value in the equation we got it. So delta phi equals to 3 into, first we have to write delta phi, that examiner know what we are writing. 3 into 1 minus 1 into 2 I cap plus 3 into minus 1 square minus 3 into 1 into 2 j cap plus 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 1 into minus 1 to k cap. Now we have to equate these all value. It will come 3 plus 6 I cap plus 3 minus 6 j cap plus 12 plus 3 k cap. By equating these all value, this will come. Now 3 plus 6 9 I cap, 3 minus 6 3 minus 3 j cap plus 15 k cap. Now as solving this question, we have got the solution of this question, this one. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.